But we have more breaking updates now coming in. Now, in the latest, we hear that amid the furor over the tragedy in Karur, the TVK has sought the preservation of the CCTVs, with a plea being filed saying the CCTV footage from the tragedy site must be preserved. Dharani is getting us this update. Dharani, very interesting at a time when questions are being raised at the TVK. The TVK's actions seem to be suggesting that there is a bigger political conspiracy at play. On one hand, they have sought a detailed probe into what actually led to this stampede. At the same time, also giving a plea saying the CCTV footage from around the areas should be preserved. What are the details?
So just now, just a while back, we came to know that advocates from the TVK's advocate wing, they've made a mention before Justice Dandapani of the Madras High Court. And this mention states that, during Vijay's rally in Karur yesterday, there was a deliberate intentional power cut. TVK alleges that this power cut timed with Vijay's arrival and Vijay's speech. They also go on to say that the police lathi charged at TVK supporters. In fact, the police pelted stones at TVK supporters, leading to a lot of push and pull between TVK cadre and the police department. This is what has been mentioned by Team TVK in front of Justice Dandapani High Court. And additionally, TVK has also sought preservation of all CCTV footages. They say that CCTV footages surrounding the rally location in Karur district of Tamil Nadu, all of that should be preserved because TVK fears tampering of evidence. They feel that in case if there is conspiracy involved in the whole scenario, then those who are conspiring, they might try to destroy, they might try to change, alter the evidence. So in order to avoid that, preservation of CCTV footages from the surrounding areas, the area surrounding the rally location is essential, is what TVK has mentioned before Justice Dandapani of the Madras High Court. This hearing is likely to be taken up around 2:15 p.m. tomorrow in the Madurai bench, and during the hearing, of course, we'll get to know a lot of details about TVK's arguments. What are the arguments and complaints that the TVK is putting forward. We'll be able to see tomorrow in the Madurai bench of the Madras High Court. But for the time being, what we can definitely confirm is that TVK feels there might be possibility of conspiracy, and they want all these CCTV footages to be preserved in the location.
Okay. All right, Dharani, very, very interesting update. There's a curious twist coming in with the TVK saying that the CCTV should be preserved. Any hearing that we're going to see in the High Court with versions from the government as well as from Vijay are going to be very, very interesting. We will keep you, of course, updated on that. Let's